When you're trying to get certified for a certain skill, you need to give a test, right? No one is going to hand over the certificate to you just by guessing that you might have the skill. So if the guessing game doesn't really work in case of your skill certification, then how it can work for your business? Take the guesswork out of your business by testing. You want to launch a new product, test it. You want to start a new marketing strategy, test it. You want to adapt a new business process, test that too. Testing is the way to reach your ultimate goal. You cannot just guess and hope to win. If you are just starting out, you need to listen to the next section very carefully. Suppose you want to sell a physical product like t-shirts. You cannot just go ahead, create a bunch of design and start manufacturing. You will end up with a room full of t-shirts that no one wants to buy. Instead, you need to communicate with your target audience. Ask them whether they like it or not. Utilize Facebook ads to do this. Target a broader audience and see who is engaging and how many people are engaging with your designs. Ask them that, hey, if I start selling these products, will you be interested in buying it? Or if you want some changes in it, you can say that. I know it's a lot of work, but if you want to create a great product, if you want to create a successful product, then you have to communicate with your audience. So test your products in order to make it a success. In order to sell your products, you need to understand marketing first. You need to understand who is going to buy your product, your target audience. You need to understand what kind of content they are going to respond to. Maybe it is email or videos or image content or text-based blog. You need to understand the channel through which you're going to distribute your content. Maybe it is email. Maybe it is online ads. Or maybe it is organic source. In case of content marketing, we use organic source to reach your audience. To do all this, you need to test. You need to test your audience, you need to test your content, you need to test your distributing channels. Without testing, you cannot implement a marketing strategy. You will fail, for sure. You will fail not just once but many times. But with each failure, you will reach closer to your goal. So test and fail faster to reach your goal faster. I cannot emphasize enough that through testing how much you are going to learn. You are going to learn from your failures. So these are just two examples that I have used to make you understand that how important testing is for your business. If you want to adapt any kind of business process, you need to test first. So I hope you can understand that how important it is. If you have any queries, comment them below. And see you in my next video. Bye-bye.